How to redeem Citibank ThankYou Points. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got ThankYou Points with Citibank, well here is how to redeem them easily from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in to your account and here once logged in on your dashboard, you simply have to click on rewards or thank you rewards linked to your card. And there you simply have to choose from gift cards, travel, statement credits or merchandise and select the reward and enter how many points you want to use. And once you're done with that, you can simply click redeem. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your Citibank Thank You Points on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.